What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Naya, and today is Vlogmas Day 2. Special guest. Come on. Y'all might have seen her before, but this is my cousin, and today we're going to be doing the face mask. It's by Yes to Tomatoes. That's a funny name. That's a funny name. But we're just going to be doing the face mask, and we're going to see how this goes. I want to try this because like it seems like it's painful, and I like pain. So yeah. And she already opened hers, y'all. Like, she is so impatient. So let's get this video started. So on the back, it says, open the paper bowl on the inside. I'm going to take that off. And this is the bowl right here. Like a little bowl. Ta-da! Oh, come with a spoon. They fancy. Here we go. So we got that. And it says, open paper bowl fountain side. Open the powder. And place the powder in the bowl. Add water to the line inside the bowl. What line? Oh, that line right there. So I'm gonna pour all of this. Let me see. I'm gonna put it all to the bottom. I ain't gonna pour all of it probably. I'm gonna pour like a little bit. Pour some in there. It don't say how much to pour. I'm just gonna estimate it. Decided to add a lemon to our. She just cutting up a lemon. What it look like? I think I gotta add all of it. Add it to the line. And then mine's still kind of like watery. So I'm about to keep adding until I get the right ratio I want. Squeeze a little bit of lemon right here. Squeeze that in there. Okay. Mix that in there. It smells lemony. So we got our mask in our little bowls. So now it's time to apply it. I'm gonna use my headband to hold my hair back so I don't get it on my what's the face. Oh, we need a mirror. We have a mirror right here to help us see what we're doing. So let's get it started. Oh, y'all, I look so freaking ugly. It's like, I got fuck. What? What happened?
Got some on my lip. It was on my bottom lip though.
How about applying this, right?
Right, they don't tell us how to apply. They usually tell us how to apply.
It said use the back spoon to apply an even layer to the face. So what eye area and around. So I said, I'm going everywhere with this shit. Like, I'm not even going in a type of motion. I don't know, I need to take it off my eyebrows. Let me scoot that over a little. Lord knows I need my eyebrows being taken
I was
out.
about to say, you already got some in there.
This feels so weird on my, like, going on my face. Y'all, so I think I'm done with mine. My face starting to feel like a little hard. Well, no, you take your time, girl.
All right. Oh,
my face starting to feel like a little hard, so I'm trying to build my eyebrows because like I love these boys and now I need these going away. So I think I'm just gonna stop it right here.
Ooh. Yeah, that's what I'm trying. I'm gonna stop it right there.
These sideburns, y'all. If I'm serious. So my face is like starting to get tight. So y'all can see like my movement is kind of restricted of me talking. But let me tell y'all about how my life's been going. So I am a senior, y'all, if y'all didn't know, and we doing the mock awards, right? So it's like so much going on about these mock awards. Like, I don't know what's the problem, because I'm running for best style, best personality, and most likely to be famous. But it seemed like everyone just has a problem with what I'm running with. And I don't know why, y'all, because I feel like I have a good personality. I feel like I'm going to be famous. And I feel like I have good style, you know? Like, I just don't get people nowadays. But this week, I'm taking my senior headshots because we got to take them to be in the yearbook. So I'm doing that. So that's going to be a vlog for y'all. And I'm going to try to come up with some more YouTube ideas because I'm doing Vlogmas. And it is so hard to come up with 23 YouTube ideas, y'all. So that's just my rundown of my life. You have anything to say?
I mean, I guess, because you don't really know me for real. All I know is that I like dogs and that YB and I'm my husband. But,
So, what's your name?
Michaela.
So, Michaela. What
M-A-K-A-Y-L-A-H, because people be forgetting the H in.
Forgetting the H?
Yeah, the H at the end of my name.
Michaela.
No, Mr. Emacone. On my test, on my zip code, on my zip grade, every time I get the paper, it say Micaiah. M-I-K-A-Y-A-H.
I say, oh, I don't know what that is, so you gotta give me an A.
That's what I was trying to tell him. He like, gotta sit down. I got one.
No, y'all, it's this one teacher at my school. Like, hey, sit down. What I say?
Oh, you talking about that one?
Mr. Swain.
Yeah, Mr. Swain. He is funny.
Oh, Michaela, what's your favorite color?
Purple.
Why purple?
Because it like, I don't know, like purple. The color purple like makes me feel calm, and it gives me like a royal type vibe.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I got 8 siblings. I have on my mom's side is just me and my sister. She's 11. Her name's Morgan. On my dad's side, that's where all of them at.
My mom is ready. As y'all can see, I can't even move my cheeks. Michaela's still gotta, you know, get hardened, but mine ready. So I'm about to take this off. Get a clean face towel, y'all. Go in a circular motion and just gently take it off. I can say that my face does feel softer and it like it's glowing more. I don't know, maybe it might be this ring light, but I feel like it's glowing more and it does feel softer. And another thing, this product is really good on people with sensitive skin because I was kind of skeptical on using it because I do have sensitive skin and it didn't break me out or nothing. Like my skin is like really soft. Even though my face is real smooth, I do have dry skin. So for a moisturizer, I'm going to be using this coconut oil, and it's by the brand Dead Sea Collection. And this is a body oil. It smooths and revitalizes skin. So I'm just going to get some and just put it down my face like that.
I don't know if like you see mine like look a little cracked. I don't know if hers did, but that's because I decided to eat and I didn't realize how tight it was. So when I went to chew, it's like it felt like y'all ever had y'all crack and like y'all it's like split, and then when you try to open your butt cheeks, it's like it hurt. That's what it feel like. Or with your lips and use what she used because my oil's upstairs, you know, don't feel like getting it. I kind of also want to use this just because I like playing with this little thing right here. I like playing with
little nozzle.
Yeah, that's so fun and like amusing to me. But hey.
Alright y'all, so hope y'all enjoyed the video of me and my cousin doing the face mask. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become a hashtag trendsetter. And stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 3, which I will be uploading in a couple hours. And I'll see you guys in my next video.